2027, I want to change the paradigm. I will not continue working for political individuals, but I want to work for the Kenyan people, the Kenyan masses. And in that regard, informed by lessons I've learned in the past, emerging issues in the operational environment, feedback I've received from various stakeholder fora, which held over the past 1 month, including but not limited to Nomia Church, which is my church of birth, a church which was started by my grandfather. I've today made a deliberate and conscious decision that cometh the year 2027, I'll be submitting myself as a candidate for purposes of the presidential race in the elections for purposes of the presidency of the Republic of Kenya. And I believe my track record as a performer, a results-oriented person, a risk taker, will stand me in good stead. And this is the only way we are going to give the people the opportunity to elect the leaders they want without fear or favor, because they'll be having a variety of choice from that political menu to choose from. If you want to vote for a candidate in ODM, go ahead and vote for a candidate on an ODM ticket. If you want to vote for a candidate on another political party, go ahead and vote for that candidate. If you want to vote for a candidate on a political party which Owalo will announce soon, you are free also to vote for a candidate on that new political party that Owalo is going to come up with.